HR champions, I'm Richa and welcome back to the channel where we decode word HR skills that actually grow your career. Before we dive in for today's video, if you are new here or a regular viewer, please take a second to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, share this with your HR network and subscribe for weekly insights. Today, we are answering one of the most debated questions in HR right now. Should you learn Excel first or jump straight into AI tools? Stick with me till the end. We will break it down practically. We will see which is going to give us the faster returns. Let's be honest, HR is evolving fast. We have moved from manual entry and a policing to a data-driven, tech-enabled function. But with so many tools out there, people feel confused. Do I learn Excel formulas? Or should I try for ChatGPT for HR? Where should I go? Should I automate first or should I analyze better? The answer is not as simple as this or that. It depends on where you are in your HR career and what you are trying to solve. Let's start with Excel. If you're in HR and don't know basic Excel, it's like trying to run without learning how to walk. There are certain formulas which you definitely should know. VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, pivot, if formulas, conditional formatting, basic chart. Why these are important? Because before you can analyze data or use AI tool, you need to know how to clean, filter and structure the data. And Excel is the universal tool for that. Example, you want to see how's your attrition, you want to see what's the health of your system, you need dashboards, you need a salary, CTC structuring, you need to analyze how many people have exit in your organization. You need Excel for preparing headcount dashboards, salary, CTC breakup automation, then analyze for exit interview, and Excel is not going anywhere. Most HRMS still export into spreadsheets and most CHRO dashboards are built in, guess what? Excel or Google Sheets. Now let's talk about AI tools. From ChatGPT to Sambly, Skillset, HireEasy, Prompt Hackers and more. AI is already embedded in HR tech. You can draft job description in settings, you can create your Boolean strings, X-ray strings, you can ask for the policies, you can ask to summarize the policies, design the onboarding content, run the sentimental analysis, engagement surveys. These tools save time, remove repetitive work, and help you focus on strategy. But here is the catch. If your basics like Excel are weak, you won't be able to verify, tweak, or interpret that AI gives you. Example, ChatGPT gives you a headcount forecast model, but without Excel logic, you can't validate if the data flow is correct. Now you will be confused what to do. If you are an HR fresher or generalist, start with Excel. If you are a TA lead or L&D pro, learn Excel AI tools in parallel. If you are in mid-senior roles, get comfortable using AI to delegate basic tasks and speed up the strategy in short. Excel gives you a depth, AI gives you speed. If you will combine both, you will become unstoppable. If you're wondering how to build both skill sets without spending hours on YouTube every night, we have built a live HR tech bootcamp at SkillDeck, where we teach practical Excel for HR use cases. We make you learn how to use ChatGPT to create JDs, policies, emails, and training content, how to mix AI plus Excel for analytic dashboards, and how to apply this in real scenarios, not just theory. These are live sessions full of practice, not just slides. This is going to be a super practical session. What you need to do, you need to visit website www.theskilldeck.com, watch the two courses, HRPP and HR Analytics, and get yourself trained in those skills which today companies demand. If you got value from this video, go ahead and hit like, share this with your HR team on LinkedIn network and drop a comment. Are you learning Excel or AI skills? Don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'm Richa and every week I bring you insight tools and strategy to grow your HR career. Until next time, stay skilled and don't just manage HR, lead it.